What's the meaning of air hostess? Air hostess. Air hostess.
Air hostess. Air hostess. Air hostess is a term used to describe a female flight attendant who works on board a commercial aircraft. Their main responsibility is to ensure the safety and comfort of passengers during a flight. They perform a variety of tasks, including serving meals and drinks, demonstrating safety procedures, and assisting passengers with any questions or concerns they may have. Air hostesses must also be prepared to handle emergency situations and are trained in first aid and self-defense techniques. Overall, air hostesses play an important role in the aviation industry and contribute to the overall customer experience of air travel.